got the hiccups. Oh. Don't you? You got the hiccups. We can't be playing. It's night-night time. Ooh. As I almost lose my balance, and that's all I need is to crush you. Your hiccups are so adorable. Let's say hi to the camera. Huh. So huge. It's night-night time, Milo.